Alright guys, got something for you from the last video. I said if I painted this and I liked it, I'd show it to you. So here is my hand painted Whopper Plopper. I used the collar shifting paint on it. I don't know if you guys can tell it there or not. There we go. I still gotta clear coat it, but after I do that, we'll get her in the water and see how she does. But I think it looks pretty good myself. Got another box, as you can see who it's from. This is stuff I just ordered myself. This is not a one of the subscription boxes. Check on my kids real quick. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we got the new speed wake. Live shiner. This is 7/8 ounce. Come here, Sissy. Don't wander off too far. Guys, see, it's real nice collar there. As always, you know, sticky sharp hooks. It's got all kinds of action to this, so that'll be fun. I'll try that out this weekend when my pontoon comes in. I would have been a one-man pontoon so I could get on the water a little bit more. I don't have the funds to buy a boat, so I gotta deal with the next best thing. Okay. This is the Provoke 106X. It's 106mm half ounce. Real nice collar. It's the chrome thread fin. Okay. If anybody knows what kind of hooks these are, let me know. I'd love to buy some extras. Just you know, throw on my other stuff. Excuse me, guys. Alright. See what else is here. As you can see, these are plastics. I got the Clout 5.4 green pumpkin. Very nice. Let's dump all this out here. Okay, we got some Gill Dust Divine Shaky Worms, 6.3 inch. Guys, the plastic in these is awesome. I don't know what type of plastic they're using, but it's good stuff. Where'd you go, little lady? Get back up here. Okay, I got the green pumpkin in the Divine Shaky Worm 6.3. Well, I'll open them up, let you guys see what they look like. We've already seen the action. Normal green pumpkin, black flake. And we got the Clout 5.4 in the gill dust. Almost like a green pumpkin collar with the purple, red, and orange flake in it. No, it don't have red, it's just purple and orange. As you can tell, these got some salt on them. Like you can see it on my fingers there. So these are gonna do good. And we have the Stroker Crawl and the watermelon candy. 3.3 inch. These are detachable. I should go ahead and show you. So you're going to get a little bit more action if you take these hinges off here. Everybody wants a little bit more action, so you know that works out. Excuse me guys, I got some allergy troubles right now, and it's high pollen today, and I can definitely tell it. We got the Clout 5.4 Bluegrass Magic. I was excited about these. The black and blues do good where I live. These are the black and green pumpkin with the blue and black metal flake. Well, not metal flake, this flake I guess, glitter. But yeah, these look really good. Put this back there and you might be able to see a little bit better. Oh yeah. So. And last but not least, I got me a Divine swim jig. The braid swim jig. It's got the 5/0 braid hook, black and blue senses, and it has, look here, the screw lock. Sorry guys, I was reading that little note they put on here. Kind of tore it a little bit, but it says we care about every lure we make, so please let us know if there's ever an issue with any of our products and we will take care of you. 6 cents. So it's good to know. You know, not a lot of companies will do that, but here's that if you guys want one of these. I'll open it up and pull it out here, let you see it. As you can see, it's weedless here. Ooh, sharp hook as always. And my eyes on this thing are wild. And here is your screw lock. Now, I know some people will never use these, so I'm going to grab something here. I'll put one of these crawls on here. We'll check it out. Yeah. You guys want to make sure you get these as straight as you can when you're going in. Alright, once you get it up here, you just start twisting it. Now you have to, you know, round around and everything. You'll have to do it after every twist. Don't get lazy and just run it a couple times. You want to run it all the way up on it. Now I didn't make a boo-boo. Thought I might have. I'll go ahead and run that up one, maybe two more times. Yeah, that's good. Alright guys, check that out. But you want to make sure you get that as straight as you can along the body of the, whatever you put it on there. That way it'll swim straighter. And yeah. I'm impressed with everything that I got. Go ahead and leave that on there. I'll just, next time I go, I'll throw it first, try it out. But yeah guys, if you want to order from 6 Cents, use Justin Rules code. It's JR10 for like what I ordered. But if you get one of the boxes, or the sacks I mean, use code JR10 Super 6. It'll save you, like, if I'm not mistaken, like 10 bucks off of a one of their sacks. And I got the premium when I ordered mine, and got the got it for, I think it was like $23 total. But yeah, just use code JR10 if you're just ordering some stuff. If you want the super sack, use JR10 Super 6. Thanks guys, have a good day.